Run the provided installation file to install XG5000 program. In case of desiring to change the username, enter a name and leave other values as defaults. Then press Next. Still, the installation will be processed normally. Press Finish to complete the installation. Then, X5000 implementation icon is created on the desktop. Double-click on the XG5000 icon created on the desktop to run the program. In the Program menu, select Project-New Project. When the New Project pop-up window opens, enter a desired name for the project name. For CPU series, select XGB, and for CPU type, select XGB-XBCH. When the program window opens, set a proper screen size by adjusting the ratio at the left bottom. Double-click on the ladder's left end to open the comment window that allows noting some memo on the establishing contents. Point the mouse on a desired cell and press F3 to select the Normally Open Contact tab in the toolbar and click a cell to enter the memo. When the Input Variable or Device window opens, enter PB1 for variable and P00 for device. Select the Device or Variables of View menu to have the device address of used variables specified together. Press F4 after move to the next cell or select the Normal Closed Contact tab in the toolbar to enter. Use PB2 and P01 since it is the second push button. The shortcut of the output contact is F9 and its name is coil. Enter relay 0 and M00 to use the internal memory. The entered contacts are specified on the table and available to select and use. Enter relay 0 in the next line and connect circuits using vertical line to compose the magnetic maintenance circuits. Enter TCH to use the temperature switch value of the refrigeration center and use P02 as the device. The interlock circuit is composed by using relay 2 to maintain the magnetic by entering the output of high value to relay 1 and to prevent the operations at low. The interlock circuit is composed by using relay 1 to maintain the magnetic, by using relay 2 as the output of low value. The compressor condenser fan motor and the solenoid valve are operated by using relay 1, activated by TC high, and used as output contacts. Therefore, the device in number 20 level is used. The evaporator fan motor is operated by using Relay 2 activated by TC low. When the latter establishment is completed, complete the process by entering END in the function or function block and transmit the program to PLC. Change the connection type to USB in the connection settings of online menu to connect between PLC and the PC. After the change, selecting the Connect will establish the connection to PLC, and the bottom area of the program will change from the blue to green color. If the online connection fails, check if 4000 PL and PLC's power switch are on. While online, accessing diagnosis I/O information and selecting I/O sync, the module information of PLC is imported and applied to the program. Transmit the data of the program to PLC using the right of online menu. After activating PLC by pressing the Run button and selecting the Start Monitoring of the Monitor menu, the visual check on the actions of connected contacts become available. The refrigeration system is to be controlled using PLC by connecting 1000 BA and 4000 PLC. Prepare a refrigeration equipment, a PLC practice equipment, and a laptop PC. Connect the PC's USB port to PLC's mini 5-pin terminal using a cable. Connect the signal ports of BA and PL using a 36-pin cable. The following is the description on wiring to operate the PLC. First, connect the COM of the PLC input to negative SMPS. Then connect the COM of the output to negative. Then connect the push button used for the input signal. Connect P00 to push button 1 and P01 to push button 2. And connect all other sides of each button to the positive terminal. Next, connect loads used to the output. Connect P20 to number 2 of control signal and the negative terminal of the compressor. Connect P21 to negative terminal of the condenser fan motor, P22 to negative terminal of the solenoid valve, and P23 to negative terminal of the evaporator fan motor. Connect all positive wires of the connected loads to positive terminals of SMPS. Then turn the power on. Connect the COM of the temperature with the refrigeration equipment to positive terminal of SMPS and connect TCH to P20 and TCL to P03. With this, the wiring is completed. Turn the main power on by lifting the breaker. Then, when the power is supplied to PLC, the system becomes operating. When pressing the push button 1, the equipment operates according to the current temperature. If the temperature of the evaporator outlet is higher than the set value, the compressor, condenser fan motor, and solenoid valve are activated to lower the temperature. If the current temperature is lower than the set value, the evaporator fan motor is activated, and the temperature of the evaporator outlet increases. Pressing the push button 2 stops the actions of all loads and the system.